Got these two locks off KV plus a load of others there. Two little, I think the cabinet locks. Only 4 pennies. Bloody hell. Talk about giving you a run for your money. The keyway is like bloody shark's teeth. This is the only pick I can get in. This filed down Majestic. And I've only opened it twice. I've had it over a day. And the one on the other side of the place, I've only opened that once. You think you've got a hard pin there, and you're actually pushing against the restrictions in the keyway. Bloody awful. Try and twist the pick to get round it, but come on, you little bugger. Messing with my mind. You seem to chuck this in the canal. It's a nice little lock. It's not going to behave itself. I don't even know who make it now. No name on it. That's what. But all this has been scratched off. I don't know why. Got it. Flippin' heck. There's the one I've just done. And there's. We'll got that in a bit. Found out why it's such a pain of a little lock. This one I've only done once before. That one I've done twice before. Like I said, there are only 4 pins, no securities. Just awkward keyway. And no bloody feedback at all. And you think you're pushing on pins and you're pushing against these bloody restrictions. There we go. Thank fuck for that. Strange little locks. Just 4 pinners, but I know my camera can't pick these up very well. But the keyway's bloody nasty. Cheers, gents.